Here's RC Explosion Box High-End, version 60 by Filmington for the month of December. Let's crack it open. Who knows, maybe we get the golden ticket. So here's this month's. We have a Panini Chronicles. That could include a Otani. Got all these things in the way. And the Chronicles pack is a retail pack. It's worth about $16. It's really cool of him to include that in here. Nothing else in there. Empty box. These are the packs. Chronicles. A Bowman Chrome, which is very cool. A Bowman Draft Jumbo. And the Update Series Jumbo. So 4 packs. I will start off with this one and move my way on up. Okay, let's go. Is that a backwards card? Who knows? Okay. Got a Victor Robles. Got a Victor Robles. Rookie of Eric Freddy. A Prison of Eric Freddy. Got an Ozzy Albies. And a Willie Adams. Nothing special. Let's move on to the Bowman Draft. 4 cards. Sapphire Edition. I think I see a thick card. You see that thick card? Could mean something. So we'll start off in the front. We got a Kodai Senga, so that's a very cool card. I'm going to sleeve him up, but I'm not going to go from the back. I'm going to go from the back. Marcelo Mayer. Brian Acuna. Let's see what we got. Marcelo Mayer, $2.99. So we got a colored card. Very cool. Nice looking card. I will sleeve him up pretty soon. Now with Kodai Senga. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one first. I'll leave the best for last. I think I see a thick card in there. You see that one? Looks thick, I don't know. Maybe upside down card, I don't know. It's the thick card, so we'll see. Okay. Logan O'Hoppe. Brandon Pfaadt. Tommy Pham. Cal Rogans. We'll do that one towards the end, so we'll try to stop there. Christopher Morel. Kenta Medha. Okay, some cards stuck together. Patch Bradley. Ooh, Corbin Carroll. We'll sleeve him up. Okay, so behind is a thick card. It looks like it's thick, so we'll go from the back. Corey Jokes. Then a Corbin Carroll Action Stars Prism. So we'll put that one here. And Mike Trout. Nice. Okay, we'll put him here. Also a card that's sleevable. Okay. I don't know if it's anything, but it's a thick card. Ooh, nice. It's an autograph of Corey Lee. I don't think it's anything special, but kind of a cool card to get. Sticker auto. I'm not a fan of sticker autos, but to get an autograph, very cool. Okay, got some good cards. This is the new bad boy. Pemmican. Shout out to Pemmican for getting this off quickly to us before the holiday rush. So let's get a cracking. He's a nice card. Nice card to have. Nathan Detmer, Landon, Coleman, Jackson Morrell, Cam Fisher, Louis Velez, Chase, Ryan Clifford, Xander, Alberto Rios, Yasir, Mike Marcio, Colin Montgomery, Jake DeLeo, Lucas, Tamir. When did the Chrome start? Okay, some time to go. This guy looks old. He looks old. Okay. Okay, here are these. Seth Keener. Any thick cards? No. It's probably nothing. Cade Kuhar. Patrick Riley. Coleman Pickard. Joe Whitman. Sean Sullivan. '55th overall. Ryan Clifford, I think is a good card. And then Grant Taylor. So we got 2 prisms. And that's it, guys.